How to download and install WeChat on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install WeChat on a PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for WeChat Web. Now here you will see the web version of WeChat, but we want to download WeChat, so scroll down a bit and you will see this website right here. Now what you'll have to do is tap on this, and for this is basically WeChat for your Windows device. So what you can do is tap on this download option and the app should start downloading. As you can see, the exe file, which is your installer, is getting downloaded. So while this downloads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after your exe file downloads, you can open that up. Simply tap on it to start installing your WeChat. Give permission to your device, and there we go. WeChat has now opened up. Now agree to it, terms and conditions, and then tap on install. And there you can see WeChat is now installing. There you can see now we can simply run WeChat, tap on run, and there we go. Now you can scan to log in into your account, and after you scan, are basically logged in, and that's how you can use WeChat on your Windows device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.